Hi, this is Frank George here, introducing the 24-volt Hikole electric kid car. They're gonna absolutely love it. It's great for children aged 3 to 6, either for one or it fits two, with 110-pound weight capacity. Children will absolutely love it. They can either have full control or the adult can do it with remote control. I love the smooth starting and braking feature. And when you start it, you can hear it start up the engine. It has a realistic horn sound. It also has a safety harness too, to keep everybody safe. It even has a realistic music player built in. And you can choose from 2 speeds, high and low speed. And there's even a USB connection and Bluetooth, so you can play your own music if you wish. The doors are lockable too. This 24-volt Hikole car will last a good long time. It's all made from durable PVC. And it has super wide tires for any terrain, along with shock absorbers for a smooth and comfortable and safe ride. This will make a great gift for your kids. And it's real easy to assemble also. You can either follow this video to follow or use the user manual. forward and reverse, low speed, high speed, lights on, lights off. Music. Until next time, this is Frank George. Go ahead and get yourself one or two and make your friends and family happy.